I am Professor Karunanidhi. I am the Managing Director and Medical Director of Sri Sainath Hospital and Research Institute. We are very happy to be associated with Dr. Karthik, a renowned cosmetology surgeon. The Chennai Plastic Surgery, headed by Dr. Karthik, is an unique and comprehensive cosmetology center. Their importance starts with the stage of planning. They have got an excellent team which would discuss with the patients in detail and at length about their need, what exactly the patients want from the cosmetologist, what are the modifications they desire to have in their body, is discussed in detail with the public relations team. They do a very good job. After extracting from the patients what exactly is their need, they communicate to Dr. Karthik. Then Karthik's work starts. Karthik makes the finer movements and decides about the decisions which are tailor-made. As I have seen, they are doing 3 types of surgical procedures, namely the facial procedures such as rhinoplasty, lip modification surgery, jaw modification surgery, dental procedures, breast reduction and enhancement surgery, liposuction, attending to the lipomas. These are all the surgical procedures they do very, very well, which give rise to an excellent result. It is a result-oriented place. The outcome is something to be seen and to believe that. Patients are very, very happy about the outcome. We are very happy to give the infrastructure facilities to Dr. Karthik. We give the best rooms, the deluxe rooms to his patients. We have earmarked one very big theatre, a state-of-art theatre, to Dr. Karthik's case alone. We have taken utmost care in the prevention of infection. Their results are very, very good, and we are very happy to be associated in that aspect also. Now, the patients who come from various national as well as international places, they are very, very happy about the results. They go and tell to various people, and there is a long queue of patients from at the national level as well as at the international level. We get a lot of inquiries. Independently, we get inquiries about the Karthik centers, and we also respond to them. As a matter of fact, Dr. Karthik and his team has elevated the image of Sri Sainath Hospital and Research Institute to a very big level, and we are thankful to Dr. Karthik for this type of surgery and for this type of help he renders in elevating the image of our hospital. If you go into the costs of procedures, I can boldly say the costs are very competitive. It is not at all a costly situation. Even middle class people, they are able to approach Dr. Karthik and get the desired result, and they go out happily. I am thankful once again to them for this image that they have given to our institution and for their nice cooperation to Dr. Karthik as well as to his excellent team of personnel.